Understanding guitar stand in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very specific but interesting English phrase, guitar stand. This is a great example of how two simple words can combine to describe a unique object. Let's dive in and understand this phrase better, ideal for both beginners and intermediate English learners. The phrase, guitar stand, is made up of two words, guitar and stand. Guitar. This is a stringed musical instrument, popular in various music genres. It usually has 6 strings and is played by strumming or plucking the strings with fingers or a guitar pick. Stand. This word can be a noun or a verb. As a noun, it refers to a rack or a frame used for holding or supporting something. As a verb, it means to be in an upright position on the feet or to place something in an upright position. In our phrase, stand is used as a noun. Now, combining these two words, guitar stand refers to a frame or rack designed specifically for holding a guitar. It's a tool that supports the guitar in an upright position when it's not being played. Guitar stands come in various designs and sizes but serve the same purpose, to keep the guitar safe and easily accessible. Why use a guitar stand? Here are some reasons. Protection. It keeps the guitar safe from damage. Convenience. Makes it easy to access the guitar. Display. Allows the guitar to be displayed aesthetically. Space saving. Saves space and keeps the area organized. I hope this video helped you understand what a guitar stand is and why it's important for guitar players. Remember, learning English involves understanding not just words, but how they come together to form meaningful phrases. Keep practicing, and you'll continue to improve. See you in the next video.